After your printer connect to Wi-Fi, then you open the browser and input your printer name, .locals- press enter. You will see this page. On the dashboard, you can see the nozzle temperature. You can either type in 200, press enter, or you can select the temperature you have set before. It says off, that means it's not heating up. Okay, this one is the build plate temperature. And standby means it already heats up to the temperature you request. Underneath the macros, that's the same one on your printer LCD screen. The most important is low filaments and on-low filaments. Remember, before you do these two commands, you have to heat up the nozzle first. And this one, calibration. Delta calibration G32 is exactly the same one on your printer LCD screen. On the screen it says bed calibration. That's the same one. If you are printing a large object, before that you can do this raw mesh G29 auto leveling for a better printing quality. Either these two, before you command these two, you have to heat up your build plate to 70s. Okay, let's jump out to cancel. It shows the history of you did before. And here it's the Gcode language. You can put on Gcode language here and send to command your printer. High map here, you can see this one. Normally the mesh space is smaller, means your printing quality is better. And when you see the mesh space is quite big, then you can redo the auto leveling, either G32 or G29. Status here is speed factors. You can adjust the speed during the printing process. You can speed up, slow down. And also the fans, you can turn it on and off, especially when you are printing PETG, you can turn it off. And here, baby stepping. During the printing process, when you see the nozzle is too high or too low, then you can adjust here. Okay, and let's skip the viewer 3D viewer first. Let's jump to filaments. I'm using A10 PLA, or you can add new filament. Jobs. You can check your SD card file, or you can upload Gcode file from your computer, or you can either just uploading from Cura. And right click the file. You can rename the file, delete the file. Let's go view 3D. View 3D will jump to here, Gcode Viewer. Okay, let's click this one. You can see your printing objects. Before the printing, I always check this one first to see if the surface is complete. If you see a hole here, then you can go back to your 3D software to fix it before printing. Okay, let's jump to macros. That's the same one on dashboard. System G config.g. That's the one we change our printer name. And other things, I suggest you don't touch it. General, you can change your theme, dark or white. I prefer dark. And can change language here, English, Dutch, Spanish, French, blah blah blah. Okay, let's stay on English. Machine specific is not a lot to change, so I'm not going to change anything. and go back to dashboard. Okay, the most important here is the emergency stop. The emergency stop, when you see the printing quality or the printing object is not good enough, you can just press the emergency stop here. The printer will stop directly. So that's very important because you can save some filaments. And also here is a quick click to upload your file here. Okay, that's the information I'm going to show you today. Thank you. If you have any questions, please leave us some messages or email to us. Thank you. Bye.